Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Da Vinci knot. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's going to be at my belt line. As usual, I'm just going to put a mocha pinch in there. Put whatever in there that you want. I'm going to come over here. We're going to come up and over like this. We're going to come down and around. We're going to create a delta like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up these. And I'm going to do a wreath. And I'm going to put it through here. I'm just going to kind of fold it in half. As I put it through there, I just want to get it in there. Then I'm going to do another wreath and I'm going to go around the top here. I'm going to kind of leave that a little loose. And then I'm going to do another wreath. Then I'm going to come across the front here and then going to come up and over there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to come around like so. Then I'm going to come down like this. Then I'm just going to put this back up under here like so. And we're going to put the buttons down. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. And then we're going to come in here and we're going to kind of loosen these up a bit. There you have it. So again, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made, and we'll see you in the next video.